Hello and welcome to our channel where we provide valuable information on the latest and greatest in car technology. Today, we want to talk about why having a best dash cam front and rear is important. A dash cam is a small camera that is mounted on your car's dashboard, and it records video while you're driving. It's an essential tool for protecting yourself and your vehicle in case of an accident or incident on the road. A dash cam can provide valuable evidence for insurance claims, and it can also help you improve your driving habits. Having a dash cam with both front and rear recording capabilities is especially important because it gives you a complete view of what's happening on the road. The front camera captures the view in front of you, while the rear camera captures the view behind you. This way, you have a complete picture of what happened during an incident. In addition to providing evidence for insurance claims, dash cams can also help deter reckless or dangerous driving. Many dash cams have features such as parking mode, which can record when your car is parked and motion is detected. With so many dash cams on the market, it can be difficult to know which one to choose. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 3 best dash cam front and rear of 2023 for you. Check the links to each product in the description below. Number 3. Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam. First off, let's talk about the camera itself. This dash cam records in 1080p Full HD quality and has a 135-degree wide-angle view for the front camera, ensuring you capture every detail on the road. The interior camera also records in HD and has 10 infrared light bulbs for superb night vision. The G-force sensors on the system are advanced and it comes with memory options ranging from 32 GB to 256 GB, providing up to 24 hours of loop recording. But the Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam isn't just a regular dash cam, it's a smart dash cam. It requires a smartphone connection and is compatible with iPhone 7 and above, as well as most Android models. You can check the full list of compatible devices in the FAQ section on the Nexar website. It's important to note that it does not operate in tandem with Apple CarPlay. The camera is equipped with smart detection and free cloud backup. It detects critical situations on the road such as collisions or sudden brakes and saves them as short clips on the Nexar app. These clips are also automatically backed up to your free and unlimited Nexar cloud account. This feature is incredibly useful in case something happens to your car or if you need to provide evidence to your insurance company. And speaking of insurance, the Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam also has a feature called One-Tap Insurance Report. At the tap of a button, the camera can create detailed post-collision reports that save you time, money, and unnecessary stress when dealing with insurance claims. The report summarizes key information from the crash, including video footage, driving speed, G-force impact, and location. Another great feature of the Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam is the parking mode. It senses even the slightest impact and starts recording immediately, even when your car is parked. You'll get notified and watch recorded parking incidents as soon as your phone is nearby and connected to the dash cam. This provides 24/7 protection for your car. Finally, the camera seamlessly streams live footage to your phone every time you drive, so video evidence is always just a tap away if you need it. The Nexar app works in the background, so you can use other apps, like navigation, while driving. To avoid battery drain, consider plugging in your phone while driving. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The first thing you'll notice about this dash cam is its tiny size. It's about the size of a car key and mounts discreetly behind the rearview mirror, making it virtually unnoticed. Despite its small size, it packs a lot of features. The camera records 1080p video with a wide 140-degree lens and Garmin Clarity HDR optics for crisp detail day and night. One of the standout features of the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is its voice control. You can use spoken commands to save video, start/stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more. The commands are available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish. This makes it incredibly convenient to operate while you're driving. The camera also has a feature called Vault, which automatically uploads saved videos via Wi-Fi connection to a secure online storage. This makes it easy to view and share footage later. The Parking Guard feature is also a great addition. It monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts you if an incident is detected. This requires constant power and an active connection with Wi-Fi technology and can be accessed via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. You can also access the camera remotely for live view monitoring when you're away from your parked car. This requires constant power and an active connection with Wi-Fi technology. Additionally, you can use the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone to view video from up to 4 dash cams at once. This is great if you have multiple cars or if you want to monitor multiple angles at once. The camera is built to withstand harsh vehicle environments and can withstand direct sunlight and hot temperatures. It also comes with a dual USB charger, giving you an extra USB charging port. Number 1. Nextbase 622GW front and rear dash cam, the best dash cam front and rear on the market. The first thing you'll notice about this dash cam is its 4K recording capabilities. The 622GW records in top-of-the-range 4K quality, ensuring that you capture every detail on the road. While the front camera records in 4K, the rear camera module can record at an impressive 1080p, covering your car from multiple angles and giving you greater peace of mind. The 622GW dash cam also features a new image stabilization system which greatly diminishes the effect vibrations from your vehicle and bumps in the road have on your footage quality. This means when you play back 622GW footage, it will be very steady and finer details, such as number plates, have never been easier to make out. Another standout feature of the 622GW dash cam is its 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It has dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, the latter of which has never before been featured in a dash cam. This means you will have the fastest transfer speeds possible, allowing you to download footage from your 622GW onto your phone quicker than ever. The 622GW dash cam also has a defogging feature which helps in situations where visibility is poor due to fog. This feature is unique and not available in other dash cams. Additionally, the 622GW dash cam also has a super slow motion feature, which allows you to view your footage in super slow motion at 1080p and 120 frames per second. This feature is ideal to help identify what happens in an incident and capture details such as number plates, vital for proving fault. In conclusion, the Nextbase 622GW front and rear dash cam is the best dash cam front and rear on the market. With its 4K recording capabilities, image stabilization, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, defogging and super slow motion feature, it provides the ultimate protection for you and your car. We highly recommend you check it out and see for yourself. Thank you for watching our video on why having a best dash cam front and rear is important and our top 3 picks for 2023. We hope this information was helpful in your search for the perfect dash cam. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest car technology and reviews. We upload new videos every week and we would love to have you as a part of our community. Thank you again for watching and we'll see you in our next video. Stay safe on the road.